Hey, this is Malin. Welcome to my channel. Whether you're holding a meeting online or in real life, it's always nice to have everybody check in around the table before you start your meeting. It might be a workshop, it might be training, it might be a meeting, anything. It's very nice to have this round the table to give everybody a chance to and a space to say something. Usually when I do my check-ins in meetings, I have a theme or a question or two for people to answer to sort of steer the check-in, but also to give them something else to think about that doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the meeting as such. So today's check-in was 2 questions for everybody to answer. It was, what are you particularly proud of that you have accomplished lately? Anything big or small? And what personal trait did you use to make that happen? And the conversations around the table are always surprising and energizing when you do this kind of check-in. So I'll get back to you with a couple of other tips eventually, and enjoy this one. For now, all the best. Talk soon.